Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a surprise happy mail from Jenny, Crafty Hilo Girl. Oh my gosh, girlfriend. What? You guys, look at the twin stars. Oh my gosh, I love these stickers. If I could pull these off, I will. So let me get this box open and we can check it out. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Miss Jenny. I am so thankful for you, my friend. Thank you so much for sharing all your goodies with me. And guess what? I have to cut this sticker because she put it over the opening. Jenny! What did you do, girl? This is so sweet of you. By the time you guys see this video, I will be in Ohio, in Cleveland, to see my father-in-law, who is still in the hospital. So, it's a birthday box! Look at this card. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was watching her mixed plate share, and I was looking at how she made these. She shared how she made them. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. You have to check out Jenny, Crafty Hilo Girl. If you're not following her, which I highly doubt, I know you all are following her because she is amazeballs. Oh, look at all that glitter. How beautiful. I have to rewatch it because I forget if she used glitter glue or something to put it on there. So I have to check her out. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jenny. Belated birthday mail. Oh, Jenny. You made me cry. Yes, girl, always. She said, I know food is always a good happy meal. So I picked up some Hawaii snacks. Jenny. Oh my gosh, girly. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. You have lifted me up so much. I don't even know what to say anymore. You've been a blessing, girlfriend. And what is this? Everything is so well wrapped. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I couldn't participate in a lot of the PHA swaps. Oh, look at this. Because of all the stressful things that we've been going through with my family and my husband's family both at the same time. And I'm so overwhelmed that I don't know which way to look, and projects have been pushed to the side. It's just been overwhelming. Everything is just coming all at once. Oh, we got a little bit squished, but you know what? It's paper. We can fix it. We can fix it. Look at this box. Look at how fun that is. Oh my God, Jenny, you made my day, girl. Just with this little box. The balls. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into this. She put so much work into this. Wow. Wow, Jenny. Is this the is this Erica's die? The little gift bag, big gift box, bag box. Oh my gosh, and I love that she picked purple. Wow! Jenny, I was just watching this video. She made the box. I don't remember if it was this one. She made a few, and she was showing how much fit in the box. Sorry, that was my son. Oh my gosh, girl. This is so pretty. I love the paper that she used too. So there. So yeah, anyway, back to what I was saying. Oh my gosh, she gave me some cookies. I love these cookies. I love these cookies. Oh my Lord, Jenny, I have to message you. I definitely have to message you. I'm gonna have to talk to you, girl. You have been a naughty girl. Oh my gosh. How cute. And then look at this. Oh my God, what is this one? Just watching her. Oh my God. Jenny. Oh my God. This is so cute. What? Oh my God. I'm just like, I'm giddy. Oh my God. You guys, she was hosting a birthday challenge giveaway, and you could share like goodies as an entry. Share it with her and her husband, like local snacks from your area. Now, like I said, all the stuff that I'm doing or going through right now, I've had to back out of a few challenges and stuff, and this is one that I was really not wanting to back out of, but it just, I couldn't do it. I couldn't focus. You had to either create Hello Kitty dies or die cuts and send it to her, or and then you could win a monetary prize. I think it was something, but it's recent, so it's like she hasn't picked the winners yet. Or you could send a local snack to share with her and her husband. But oh man, this girl, I can't wait to eat this. Yes, and I told her I'm gonna get you back, girl, because she had asked me if I received the box. And I said yes, and I'm gonna do box unboxing. Ooh, what? Look at this. First of all, this is a cute pouch. Oh my gosh, it's from, ooh, embossed flat pouch. Oh my gosh, it's Mickey. It says Mickey Mouse, and then it has Mickey's face on there. Oh, look. Oh my God. Sorry. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you, thank you. And it is from Daiso. It has a Daiso sign on here, or embossed. So Disney Daiso. Oh, what? What? She gave me the bitty bitty eyes. Oh my goodness. This is from Daiso, but I didn't see this when I went to the Daiso in Texas. But she also sent me her My Melody. Oh my God. Are these the ones I told you I would buy it? I would buy it from you, girl. What the hell? Jenny, you spoiling me, girl. And then what? Look at us, that Buffy sticker. Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Daisy. What? This is Daiso too? Girl. Wow. And then she sent me some Hello Kitty. What? Look at the fun I'm having today. Oh my. Jenny. Look at the bag. It's a zip top zip bag. Top zip lock bag. I can't. This one I did not get at my Daiso. I don't think I did. I don't think they had it. Is the what I'm trying to say. Wow. This is what it looks like. Look at that. So the front is clear, the back is red. And that's what it's gonna say. Oh my God, Jenny. Spoiled brat over here. Oh, Jenny. I saw her video on this one too. Oh my God, I love her shaker pouches. You guys, look at this. Never did I ever in 1 minute did I assume that this was for me. I saw her videos. Okay, so Jenny had to, she was not doing videos for a hot minute, and I was dying because Jenny does the best projects. I love her projects. And anytime she comes back from her long hiatuses, I am on it. Look at this. And they got butterflies. And I watch her videos start to finish. Oh my God, I love it. Her projects are so adorable. And look at this baby right here. She got purple on to purple bow. And she's sitting on a purple bow. Oh my God. And she's so fluffy. Oh my goodness. But, okay. She just hauled this. I just saw her haul this. And she gave it to me. What? Jenny. I'm sorry, shaking the camera, but I'm such a brat. Oh my God, Jenny. This was a galaxy. This was this mermaid tail. She knows her girl. She knows her girl. Purple and green peppermint. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Mermaid Christmas is what I'm imagining. And then this one says grape soda. You have to go and watch her videos. Like literally, this is just, she got this from an Etsy seller, I think. Yeah, and you guys, this girl, look at the packaging, let alone the mix, you know? The packaging is so pretty. Oh my God, Jenny, you spoiled this brat over here. And look at this packaging that Jenny created. And it's sturdy. I think she doubles the paper and then she sews on the pouch. So she'll make the shaker. She'll sew it onto her little paper. And then she creates the flap from her second paper. And then this is just Velcro. How sweet is that? Oh my gosh. Jenny, you made a girl's day. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. What? Oh, Jenny. You know I'm going to use this for my trip. Oh, yes, girl. This is going with me to Ohio. This is a shopping bag, you guys. If you can't tell. Oh my God. And it's Aloha. Oh my God. Isn't this cute? I want to cry. Oh, Jenny. Jenny, why are you so sweet to me? I love you, girl. Oh. What? Oh my goodness. Lemon peel gummy bears. What? Lonnie's Island Snack Shack. And this is the number if you're interested to try. Oh my God. Does she have a website? Yes. Lonnie's Island Snacks at gmail.com. Not a website, but she does have a Facebook. Lonnie's Snack Shack. OMG, you guys. Oh my God. What does it look like? Can I... Do I have enough time? Oh my God. What? Oh my God. I am so, oh my gosh. I'm gonna tell my husband to try this with me. So sorry, you guys. The girl did not just send one snack. She sent this one. Oh, this is a pencil. It looks like Pocky sticks. It's a pencil. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute, Jenny. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, woman. I don't know. What am I going to do with you? And then, oh my gosh, she sent this last time and this was so delicious. Oh Lord. If you've never heard of this, ube, you've got to try it. Anything else? Ube crinkle cookies. This is so delicioso. Jenny. And my son's favorite that she sent last time. And my sister sent me. Well, she sent it like after Jenny sent it. And I was like, oh my God, these guys are like reading my mind. Toffee coated macadamia nuts. Holy jamoli. This is delicious, guys. Oh my gosh. Once again, Jenny, you have spoiled me rotten. Look at this. This looks like chocolate. I would have been right there trying to eat it, but don't eat it. It's pencils. How sweet, Jen. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You have brightened my day and I will be enjoying these snacks all with my son and my daughter who is coming tonight. Is it coming tonight? Anyway, or is it tomorrow? I don't know. But I really do appreciate you, my friend. If you guys are interested, I have her links down below, her Instagram and her YouTube. And please let her know, oh my God, she is amazeballs. Look at all these goodies. I don't know what to do with myself now. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you so much, Jenny. Love you. Bye, guys.